I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Vagaro card reader, easy method. Power on the reader, open the Vagaro app, and keep Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Tap devices, choose card reader, and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. If prompted, enter the pairing code shown on the reader. Once paired, run a quick test transaction with a small amount to confirm everything works smoothly and you are ready to accept payments. If you hit a snag, try restarting both the app and your phone to reset Bluetooth connections. Make sure the Vagaro app is updated and check for firmware updates for the reader in settings. Keep the reader within a few feet of your phone and away from other Bluetooth devices to minimize interference. If pairing still fails, fully charge the reader and retry the pairing steps slowly, watching the prompts on both devices carefully. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They outlast gear and keep you comfortable during long shifts, kind of like reliable card readers. I love the durability and comfort, and you might too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After pairing, always run a small test transaction to ensure cards are accepted and receipts work. Charge a minimal amount like $1 to confirm the swipe, chip, or tap functions. Verify the receipt is sent by email or SMS and that your business details appear correctly. Then, check the app's transaction history to confirm sales are logged. This quick test avoids surprises during real appointments and keeps your payment workflow seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.